warlocks and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
The warlock movies and stuff like that.
Right.
Yeah. We're walking up the hill.
Lewis Park. We're exploring Lewis Park Trail. Shush, don't tell me to shush.
Are they up there eating? Oh, I thought they was up there eating.
Now they taking pictures and stuff.
Daddy, here you go.
No, I don't want to. I don't want to.
That's some good air coming from there, though.
I found that, but I want to find down, Dad.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Can't we get all up there? I think we have to go this way, Dad, to get up there.
It looks like it's too many people up there already. I'm going to stay here. Bridge might collapse. Oh, that's cool.
Beautiful at night.
Daddy? No, don't go. Let's go.
No, I'm not walking up there.
No, come on.
I'm not walking up there.
Look how big these leaves
It looks
are,
like
Mom.
there's snow over there.
Oh. Look how big these leaves are.
Couldn't get it though.
That is beautiful, man.
Leave them alone, Caleb.
Gosh, look at that water just flowing off those rocks like that. You know what? I bet that feels so good.
You can picnic up at the top. You know what I'm saying? They got benches, they got a shed. You know, all family came out here one time. They walked all the way up.
Wow.
How long did it take?
BJ, come here. What is wrong with you? Yeah, it is. What's wrong? Yes. Your whole demeanor is aggravation. What is your problem? What is it? Well, what? What is it? You tired. And why are you so tired? Because, I mean, you was on your phone and stuff the whole time we've been on the trip. You wasn't tired then. I mean, you need to get it together, son.